Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2008 John Deere CT332 rubber track skid steer loader. This machine has 4,180 hours. It starts, it runs, it works. There's no issues. The drives are good. There is a few little issues. One is the air conditioning's not working. There's a high pressure line blown on it. That needs to be fixed. We just haven't had time to do it. I'm not going to do it. We did do a service on this. We changed all the engine oils, hydraulic filters, air filters, fuel filters. We did change the oil in the planetaries. I did put a brand new set of tracks on this machine. They are brand new 18-inch wide tracks. Quick attach has some play in it. The boom has some, obviously play in it a little bit for a 4,180 hour machine. All the glass is in the cab. It is a 2-speed. It is a high flow. I'm offering this for sale on auction time. I want to give it a whirl, try some stuff on there. The way it is, 100% will sell to the highest bidder. Machine starts, runs, and works. There's no major oil leaks. And we're going to demonstrate that real quick. We'll walk you around the machine. Machine's powered by a John Deere 5030. John Deere turbo diesel engine. Starts, runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, blow by, anything like that. Does start good. Again, we have done a complete service on it. Again, the AC we know is not working, and it is the high pressure line on the air conditioning pump is what is leaking. We did try to charge it, and that's what we found. And just don't have time. I got other things that we're trying to get done. We do know that that is fixed. The boom itself in the back corners is not welded or busted up. Again, we did put 2 brand new tracks on it. Sprockets, undercarriage balance, that's about 75%. Sheet metal is all there and intact. The paint is original other than the track frames we painted. Comes with a used CID heavy duty quick attach bucket. This does have power quick attach on it. It does have high flow. Cab door is intact. Somebody put an LED light bar up there. Inside the cab, I'll show you here real quick again. All the glass is in the cab. This is a hand controls machine, so your bucket and boom is going to be on the hand controls. We put a new seat cushion in the bottom. Back seat cushion has a couple of marks. Does have 2-speed again. So your hand controls, and then your foot will run your auxiliary. 4,180 hours. And again, it is a high flow machine. So I'm gonna hand the camera back to Matt. We'll fire it up, run around. machine starts, runs, works. The curl and uncurl is a little stiff on the bucket. That's a cable, and I think I have one of those ordered for it. Actually, it needs to be put in. But machine, if you can't afford a $40,000 or $50,000 big track loader, here's something to look at. This is something very affordable, and I'm being honest. Probably unlike a lot of people, maybe in the auction format, but I'm just telling you the truth about it. Not a new machine. It's got some playing the quick attach, some playing the boom. The AC needs fixed. That cable either needs freed up, or like I said, I got to look and make sure I ordered one. If we did, I'll replace it. But it does have brand new tracks on it. We did service it. These John Deere CT332s, I've owned a bunch of them. They are a powerful machine. They are 92 horsepower, I believe they are, somewhere right around there, and they lift like 3,600 pounds. So we'll have everything in the description of the ad. You got any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. You'll see all the information about this machine. 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.